Buyers, you do not need 20% down to buy a home. Hi, I'm Nikki Nail with the Shelley Home Group of Keller Williams. Today I just wanted to give you a little overview on the different loan programs. A lot of buyers still think that you need 20% down, and that's not true. It helps, but it's not true. You don't need that money down. Sometimes it's better to save your cash. So let's go through the loan programs really quickly here. First one is FHA. An FHA loan is 3.5% down payment. Your credit score can be a little bit lower. It can be 580. And this loan is perfect for people who don't have as much cash and their debt to income ratio is a little bit higher. Normally this loan will work for you so you can purchase your next home. The second loan is conventional. Conventional loans start at 3% down. These are what most people think, that you need 20% down, but it's not true. You only need 3% to 5%, and you can put up to 20% down. That way you don't have PMI. PMI just is tacked onto your mortgage payment every month, and normally it's about $100 to $200 a month of PMI. Once you hit 20% equity in your home, it does fall off the loan. The credit score for this, your minimum credit score is 640. So you do have to have better credit, and your debt to income ratio needs to be a little bit lower than FHA. The next loan program is VA and USDA. Did you know you only need your closing cost? 0 down payment. How cool is that? Well, USDA is really popular here in Carroll County. There's a lot of properties that qualify for USDA loans, and you have to look at the map on their website to see if the house you're interested in does fit that. But there's like a map that gives you an idea if it qualifies for a USDA loan or not. With VA loans, it's the same situation, except there's no map. You don't need to worry about that. You just have to show that you do not have another VA loan, and then you can get your VA loan with 0% down payment. Also, your interest rate's really good on those loans, or your monthly interest rate, so that's also good to know. Anyway, the types of loans I went over, these are the main types. You can also get like a second home for a vacation home with 10% down. The interest rate's really low on that too, because Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac buy those as long as they're conventional, which they are. So very interesting. I know there's a lot involved in lending and what loan program you're going to use. So my tip for you as a home buyer is reach out to your real estate agent first. The first person you would consult is your realtor. They know everything about these loans. They work with a lot of different buyers on these programs. They can guide you to the right lender for you and make sure that you have a great experience. So I hope you follow along for more tips. I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a good one.